Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing the series of parts of speech in which we have started subordinating conjunctions. Today we will be continuing with the same. So don't miss any video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin. Glue words are known as subordinating conjunctions. Let's see the definition. Subordinate conjunction joins a main or an independent clause to a subordinate or dependent clause. Let's see formula. Main clause plus subordinating conjunction plus subordinate clause. First of all, we are going to see whenever. It shows at any time. Let's learn with the help of example. First, Sarah begins to sneeze whenever she opens the window to get a breath of fresh air. So here Sarah begins to sneeze at any time. She opens the window to get a breath of fresh air. That is the meaning. So here this is main clause. Whenever, that is subordinating conjunction, and she opens the window to get a breath of fresh air, that is subordinate clause. Next example. Whenever we go abroad, we take as many pictures as possible. So whenever, it is given in the beginning, that's why comma is mentioned. Whenever, that is subordinating conjunction, we go abroad, that is subordinate clause, and we take as many pictures as possible, that is main clause. Let's see more examples. Whenever I am in Gujarat, I always prefer to have Gujarati cuisine. The teacher welcomes originality whenever it is shown. I will bring you back here whenever you want, at any time. Whenever he saw his art, new feelings emerged. My mom goes to the shop whenever there is a big sale. You look so different whenever you take your glasses off. Let's move to next, that is who. With the help of who, we can come to know about the subject. First, this is the girl who won the first prize. If you want to add anything in the subject, then you have to use who. In addition, here you have to add. This is the girl who won the first prize. So here this is the girl, that is main clause, who subordinating conjunction, won the first prize, that is subordinate clause. This is Mr. Bhatia, who is an English tutor. You want to add something to this. So this is Mr. Bhatia, who is an English tutor. Main clause, subordinating conjunction and subordinate clause. Next example. They went to consult a specialist who was famous for his knowledge and wisdom. Gandhiji was a leader who brought awakening among our women. Martin Luther, who fought for the rights of the black people in USA. Many people are cheated by the cunning merchants who charge them a higher pride. So this way you can make use of this who. Let's do exercise. Do as directed. 3 sentences are mentioned along with brackets. So you have to read all and you have to do it now. Let's check answers. First, you can go, you want, but never forget to call me. So join with whenever. So you can go whenever you want to, but never forget to call me. Second, my uncle brings chocolates for me. He comes to meet me. So here, join with whenever. So my uncle brings chocolates for me whenever, at any time he comes to meet me. Shah Jahan was the emperor of Delhi. He built the Red Fort of Delhi. So here use who. Shah Jahan was the emperor of Delhi who built the Red Fort of Delhi. Here 2 sentences are given and you have to join with who. So here Shah Jahan, here this is given and here pronoun is used. So instead of pronoun you have to use who. Here we end our session. Hope you understood well. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep subscribing. Stay tuned.